In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the ROCKSOLAR RS328 Adventurer, which is a lightweight portable power station, and it has a built-in high-quality lithium-ion battery with 220 watt-hours, which is equivalent to 60,000 milliamp hours. You can use this power station for nearly all of your electronic devices, and you can charge most smartphones about 15 times, tablets about 6 times, and laptops about 3 times. And you can also run items like small fridges, lights, monitors, power tools, and laptops, which makes the Adventurer useful for a wide range of applications. So if you're in the market for a portable power station, this is one that you don't want to miss. Before we dive in, I want to thank ROCKSOLAR for sending this out to the channel for review, and you can get 20% off of ROCKSOLAR products on their website if you use the coupon code Urban Survivor. The Adventurer is extremely compact and portable, weighing in at 4.4 pounds. There's also a high visibility yellow handle on top, which makes it easier to carry. On the back, there's an input which you can use to charge the RS328 with the included DC adapter in about 10 to 11 hours. You can charge it with the included cigarette lighter port, car charger, or you can pick up one of ROCKSOLAR's 100-watt portable solar panels and charge up the Adventurer off-grid. Above the input, there's a small switch which you can use to turn the Adventurer on and off. And above that, there's a small light with 2 different output modes. The light has a warm white tint to it and would be great for a blackout. On the front of the RS328, there's a display, which lets you know the remaining battery life and displays whether you're on AC or DC output. Beneath the display, there's a button with a battery icon, which you can use to dim the display and turn the Adventurer on and off, and also another button with a plug icon, which you can use to switch between AC and DC output. And beneath the buttons, there's also a row of 3 DC outputs. The RS328 is loaded with plenty of high-speed USB outputs, perfect for keeping small devices charged. The USB outputs are stacked nicely in a column, and there's 2 standard 5V 2.1 amp USB-C-A outputs, 1 Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 5 to 9V 2.1 amp USB-A output, and 2 5 to 9V 2.1 amp USB-C QC 3.0 outputs. Next to the USB outlets, there's 2 different 110V 60Hz AC outlets, and it has a continuous AC output of 100 watts and a max output of 150 watts for about 1 second. Now I'm going to plug in a surge protector and then turn on some different electronic devices to see how many can be used simultaneously. We're going to start off with a small LED lamp, and it's able to power on just fine. Now there's a small 14-inch laptop plugged in, and the Adventurer is able to handle this without any issues. Now we're really going to step things up a notch and plug in a small mini fridge, and we're still running just fine. Next, I tried plugging in a small box fan, and this is where things went dark. The fan was too much for the Adventurer to handle, and it shut down the whole system. So I had to unplug the fan and turn the other items back on before power was restored to the devices. Overall, the ROCKSOLAR Adventurer has a lot of great features to offer in an extremely portable package, and I was very impressed by how many devices it was able to power simultaneously and how many times it can charge small electronics like phones, flashlight, cameras, and laptops. If you're in the market for a portable power supply, this is a great option to consider. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you'd like to learn more about it or pick one up, you can find a link and a coupon code in the description, which will also help support the channel.